Hello everyone. For today's video, we are going to talk about subject-verb agreement. Okay? And of course, para mas dali na itong masabtan, I will explain that one in Bisaya. There you go. Let's get started. This is just part 1 of that lesson, subject-verb agreement, because that lesson is like a broad topic and we're going to simplify that one. So here is the part 1 of the subject-verb agreement para mas dali na to siya masabtan. Watch this one. Subject-verb agreement. What is the golden rule? The golden rule, kung ingon tag subject-verb agreement is that plural subject takes plural verb and singular subject takes singular verb. Kani mo'y libog ani nga part no na ay murag medyo kailang batayanan pag dili ta lipat kay kung ingon ta og subject usually those are nouns. Now kung ingon ta og singular noun sa ato ang nabantayan, these are the examples, wala yun na siya s, singular siya, wala siya s. Example, apple, cat, dog, child, singular noun na siya ha, apple, bag, wala s, singular noun, isa lang. Niya ang plural pod, example, cats, dogs, kani nga duha ka example na siya s. Usually ang plural noun kung may tagdaghan na anay s, no? Apples, bags, unsa pa diha, cellphones na s. Ug naapod tayo natawag nga irregular plural nouns pareha aning children, daghan na mga bata, children. So atong bantayanan usually kung may tag noun nga plural na s, ingon bitag singular noun walay s, so di pwede na to siya tawagon na subject. Subject. Now, hidirita sa verb. Ang verb manggod baliktad. Kung may tag singular verb, parehaning verb, those are action words, okay? Action words. Parehaning kaon, eat. So, ang singular verb is eats. Nana is, magdugang naka-s karon. Run. Ang singular ana is runs, no? So, kanipod. Play. Play is a verb, ang singular na s. So muna ibantayan na to. Now, ang iyahang plural walay s. Kaya ni it's plural na siya. Run, play, muna siya ang bantayanan. Kaya kabaliktaran, no? Kung ang plural noun na is diri ang plural verb wala s. So unsa man magpartner ana according sa atong golden rule, plural subject takes plural verb, no? Plural subject takes plural verb. So ang mag-uban ini kung plural subject kani siya si cats, ang iyang partner ana kani pong it. So himo tag sentence, okay? The cats eat the fish, like that. So sila ang mag-uban na o example gamito nato ang kining dog, ang partner ana runs. So example, the dog runs to the somewhere to the park, runs to the park. Okay, mag-uban na siya, subject verb agreement. So balik ko na ako kadto ang question ako before nga ang snake to siya. The snake blank the rat. Kang snake isa ra man na siya, no? Sa noun wala may is. Snake ang partner ana niya is unsa man singular. O ang singular sa to is kani singular sa eat. Kung gamit eat ug eats man to pilianan, so singular to eats yun. So the snake eats the itong rat. So ana lang kasimple, ayaw kalibog kay libog yun in English, no? Ayaw jud palibog. So follow me for more lessons. That is just part 1 of the subject verb agreement na pay daghan nga dapat nato mabalaan. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.